So I'm just gonna play, watching my eyes go away, watching my eyes go away, watching my eyes go away.
Welcome back, welcome back. Well, hey guys, I'm back with another one for you guys. This one is going to be inspired by the fall and also two fruits that I love to eat as a child. One being pears and the other figs. Guys, like I said, I don't even know where to start from. Combining these two together, I think would make a pretty good wine. I actually produced this one a couple years ago also, and I just wanted to share this recipe with you. This one also is a little tweak versus the original one I had. I'm using dark brown sugar for this one, and also honey, and I believe these two things added to this recipe will even increase the flavor from the original one a whole lot more and add a little bit more complexity in body. So the ingredients that we will be using for this one will be 3 pounds of the pears, 2 pounds of dried candy figs, 12 ounces, which is supposed to be half a pound of honey, and we are using half a pound of dark brown sugar and 1 pound of white sugar, 1 lemon juiced, using that for our acid, and 1 bag of Earl Grey premium black tea for our tannin, and Lalvin D47 yeast, well, obviously for our yeast. Our equipment we'll be using as far as this process is concerned will be 1 gallon carboy with airlock and bung, cylinder, hydrometer, and I also forgot our water for the ingredient in the back. Like I said, we'll be using a couple other things, but that'll be up in the video when we get to it as far as the actual cooking of this. But I hope you enjoy, you like, and hopefully by next year you'll see how tasty this one is. Okay guys, on to the procedure.